Hey there and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through and show you how you can start an LLC in Louisiana. I'll briefly go over what an LLC is, some of the benefits that come along with having an LLC, and the 8 steps that you need to take to get your limited liability company set up and run it. And later in the video, I'll also show you another easier option that will completely streamline the entire LLC formation process for you. Now, the steps involved in forming an LLC are generally similar across all states, so you can still follow this video if you're starting an LLC in another state other than Louisiana. So if you'd like to learn more about LLCs and how you can start one for yourself, this video is for you. And now without further ado, let's get started. So first, what is an LLC? Well, an LLC is a type of business structure that stands for limited liability company. An LLC is perfect for startups and entrepreneurs, and I always tell people if you want somebody to take your business seriously, you need to start an LLC. And that's because there are just so many benefits that come along with having and starting an LLC. First of all, one of the reasons most LLC owners choose to start one in the first place is because they limit your personal liability. What this means is essentially if your company gets sued for whatever reason, they can't come after your personal assets. So if you make a mistake for some reason or something goes wrong and you actually get sued by somebody, only the assets that are inside of your LLC are at stake. So all of your personal assets, such as your homes, your cars, or anything that isn't tied to the business will be completely safe. Another reason a lot of entrepreneurs choose to start an LLC is because they allow you to raise outside capital. So if you're looking for a way to get outside capital for your business, starting an LLC might be a great option for you. And of course, LLCs have some amazing tax advantages too, which is another reason so many people choose to start one. That's because an LLC is known as a pass-through entity. So unlike some other business entities like S corporations, they actually get double taxed. Whereas with an LLC, you're only going to get taxed the one time. Now, there are also a lot of other tax benefits that come along with having your LLC, but it differs from business to business and state to state, and I'm definitely no expert when it comes to that. So when it comes to anything related to tax, I would highly recommend that you talk to your accountant and figure out what works best for you and the LLC you started. So now you know what an LLC is and some of the benefits that come along with having one. But how do you actually start an LLC? Well, doing it yourself will require you to go through these 8 steps. Step 1 is researching and choosing a name for your LLC and your business. Step 2, you're going to need to choose a registered agent. Step 3, you're going to file articles of organization. Step 4 is to create and operate an agreement. Step 5 is to obtain necessary permits and licenses. Step 6 is to apply for an employment identification number, also known as an EIN. Step 7, you need to open up a business bank account. And finally, step 8 is to comply with ongoing requirements for your LLC. Now, the process can vary slightly from state to state, so it is important to check the specific requirements of the state where you do plan to register your business. But unfortunately, one thing that does stay consistent from state to state is the sheer amount of time and effort typically required to actually go through all of these 8 steps yourself. You'll have to do the research for your particular state, gather all of the right documents for each one of the 8 steps, fill them in yourself, and file them properly in the correct places. For most people, it's a super confusing and stressful process that could literally take you hours all the way up to months. Now, while you can handle the entire process yourself, you might also want to consider using an online LLC formation service like Tailor Brands instead. Tailor Brands will guide you through the entire process and make it a lot more streamlined and convenient for you. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with what Tailor Brands is, it's an amazing platform that I've been using and recommending for years now. That's because they have so many super useful tools designed to make a business completely from scratch, all in one place. Besides just LLC formation, they also offer a logo maker, website builder, business card printing, merch branding, and a whole bunch of other tools too. Literally everything you need to get a full business up and running completely from scratch, Tailor Brands has for you. And one of the most exciting features, and the one you're probably interested in seeing as you're watching this video, is Tailor Brands' new LLC formation service. And if you use my link in the description below, you can get a heavy discount on that. Now, I don't know how long this offer or this discount is going to last, so if you're thinking about starting your LLC right now, I would jump on this as quickly as you can. Because using a service like Tailor Brands, instead of you having to spend months of your time going through each one of those 8 steps, with Tailor Brands, you can get your LLC fully set up in 3 super simple steps that will take you less than 5 minutes to complete. Tailor Brands have literally helped hundreds and thousands of people start their LLCs and have developed an intuitive and user-friendly interface that guides you through each one of the steps in the formation process, making it easy for anybody to complete the required steps. So let me dive right in and show you exactly how to get this done. So first, just click on the link in the description or the pinned comment that I provided for you as a discount link to Tailor Brands. Then once you're on the website, the first step is just to choose your state from the drop-down. So just click on that drop-down menu here and choose the state where you want to form your LLC. Step 2 is you need to choose a name for your business. So just type in the idea for your business name and you'll be able to check right there on the page if that name is available or not. And then the third and final step, we just need to answer a few questions that Tailor Brands has about your business. They're going to ask you a few things like what services you're selling and what stage your business is at, how many employees you already have, and finally, you just need to provide your contact details, and that's basically it. Tailor Brands will then start the LLC formation process for you, and their team of experts will guide you through every single step of the way, and you'll have your LLC set up in no time. Now, there are other LLC formation services out there, but what really sets Tailor Brands apart from me is their LLC formation service also comes with a lot of additional benefits that I haven't seen any of these other formation companies offer. Some of their packages include access to their logo maker, their business card printing, and all of the other useful tools that they have to offer, all of which can help you establish a strong brand identity all from the get-go. Not only that, but with Tailor Brands, you gain access to their team of experienced professionals who are ready to support you every step of the way. From answering your questions to providing you personal guidance, their experts ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. Now, Tailor Brands also offers additional packages for those who want enhanced services. These packages include features like expedited processing, document delivery, and priority customer support, giving you peace of mind and saving you even more time. So if you'd like your LLC entirely set up for you with only about 5 minutes of work on your end, try Tailor Brands and take advantage of their new LLC formation offer by using the discount link that I provided for you below this video. But as for this video, guys, that's just about it. If you have any additional questions for me about forming an LLC or about Tailor Brands themselves, drop me a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.